Hey, welcome back to Tech Your Life. My name is Fady. Let's hop in and play with what we've got today. So, today we've got the Wuben flashlight, which, as the box suggests, is a very small form factor, everyday carry flashlight. Just to go over some of the main features quickly, it's got wireless charging, 180 degree rotating head. It's got a 3000 milliamp charging box and has 100+ day battery life with 700 lumens.
It's also got a magnetic base that allows you to secure it to metal surfaces.
And it weighs at 65 grams. It's a small flashlight that packs in a lot, so let's dive in and see what it's all about. Do I need it? Yeah. Okay. Charging manual. Wow. Okay, so right off the bat, this is tiny. So just for comparison, this is my AirPod case with an AirTag connected, but let's pop it out to see them side by side. Wow. That is tiny. So it rotates like this, so you get either angle. It's got a strap in the back over here, so you can put on like a belt loop or a backpack. See what else we have in the box. It's got a lanyard to hold around your wrist, I'm assuming. It's got another box. Let's see what's inside here. I'm assuming it's going to be the charging base. Yes, it is in fact the charging base. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see a blue light go on there. Shows that it's charging. USB-C output there. Wow, this is a great looking flashlight. Press the switch 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is, okay. Oh, there we go, okay. So double click gets the light in full effect. I don't know why I keep looking at the light again. What are the other features we've got on this thing? Because I know it has other lights and it's got strobes for SOS. Okay, so let's see. So click on it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yep. SOS. Okay. And then you do it 3 times again. It's a slower pulse. Times 2 is in turbo. 1, 2. Which was that I did it again. Why do I keep doing that? Okay. How do we go to the other light modes? I can't see. Okay, can I read now? Press once, then hold. Okay, so once and hold gets me the red light. So when you press and hold, it takes you up. So we're at 150 right now, which says it has a small level 3. This flashlight packs a lot into this little thing over here. Kind of makes me want to go camping. Not 100%, because I'm not really the camping type, but I think if I were to ever consider the possibility of hypothetically taking a trip and going camping, then this would be my flashlight of choice. But we're a long way from me sleeping in a tent outside where there are skunks just walking around ready to spray you for absolutely no reason. So double click puts us in 700 lumens. 1, 2, 3 is strobe. 1 click takes you back. Off, on. And then press and hold will take you through 150, then 150. All right, I want to put this lanyard on here. How does this work? So it says, take that off. There's 2. Oh, is that the USB-C? It is. Okay. That is really cool. Yeah, they've really thought through quite a bit in this product. Like, this is... I love when I get to play around with tech that you could obviously tell there was so much love and thought and passion put into the project. because they thought of so much with this. When it's in the charging base, you can see the charging indicator there, which is really cool. So this is always attached to it. When you need to charge the base, the USB-Cs come out. Let's get that in focus. There we go. So it charges in the front there. You get it charged up, put in the base. Then when you need to take it, just open it up. You got your flashlight there. Wow, that's really neat. This fits perfectly into your pocket. I honestly never thought I'd be this excited to play with a flashlight, but the people at Wuben really thought this through. They put so many wicked features into this, and I could definitely see myself using this in some fashion on a daily basis with my dog, around the house, on a walk. And if you'd like to get yourself one, there's a link in the description below. All right, my name is Fady. This is Tech